All right, today is July 24th, 2025. The goal is to slow build this account back up. This is the only account I have now. I don't think they're gonna service it if I blow it. So my goal is to just focus on just setup. So today I didn't have that sell set up like I had the last 4 days, last 3 days, I would say. So today, what did the market do? All right, so let's go to the open and find out. So here we had a buy volume down here. We had buy here, buy there. So there was no signs of selling on NQ. We did have a sell up here, sell up there, where price did sell off. Um, that didn't really have any signs of buying. All right, so the market opens up. The market opens up, and we're dropping into kind of nowhere. This is like around close to the 8:30 news that we had. Um, Not really getting much of anything, right? So keeping an eye on both ES and NQ. We got a sell, but price doesn't really do much. Eventually, price does sell off on NQ. Eventually, ES bounces up higher on that buy, right? NQ didn't give us anything. Okay, so now I'm like, damn, maybe I should have went long, but I wanted to go short, but this is a buy, right? So let's put up the actual charts. Let's look at this right here, right? So I think I went down to the 10 tick for that. To see if there was a sell, right? So that right there. So this happened. Boom. Bam. Bop. Sell. Bam. Came back up, retested it, right? And then drop, right? But I wasn't trading the 10 tick, right? If I was trading the 10 tick, yeah. So maybe when we got to not here at the open, because this is kind of fast, right? But bam, that's kind of fast, and these are less. So like 4, 3, right? Boom, right? And the price reverses, and maybe here. Nice drop, so more or less, all right? So, but we're trading the 20 tick or higher, right? Boom. So there's nothing there. So we got this. I think I tried to trade this. I think. Nope, I lied. Where are we? I don't know. I think I tried to trade this here. When price started really moving, I got stopped out, and then price went down, and then this is where price actually just reversed up. So let's go back to the main charts. All right, so we have here. So you see my entry. I think, yeah, there goes my entry. I was highly debating when I saw that sell. I saw this sell. I was highly debating because, well, there wasn't much of anything to really make sense for the sell, but NQ was rejecting this area here at the same time, so I went for it. You can see that the 23,400 NQ was also rejecting. They both gave this at the same time. ES wasn't really being aggressive to really start to leave, but I said I need to answer before price it does leave, if it decides to leave. But I didn't really have a selling volume. All right, so there goes. That's where I answered. I answered kind of late, right? And right now, I saw the price was pushing, and as soon as it started to lift, I moved my stop loss to break even. I said, okay, that's good enough for me. Prices should be down to here at 63.98, right? At least 98. That's 6, about 6 points away. So at least 6 points away, 6 points away. So I'm hoping that this works out, but it doesn't. I think right there I got stopped out. All right, price spiked up and stopped me out. All right, so that was that. NQ never went below anything to really buy, but ES had all of this buying happening here. We haven't touched them yet, but that buying was still there. Price pushed up. I was gonna try to go short again, looking for one with a nice clear wick, looking for a weak volume. Didn't get it. This engulfed that. I was interested in that. I thought about going short right here at 64.04. I thought about it, but and we had this. All right, stop loss right above. Tried about going short again one more time. Price did start to really push down there, so I would have been at what 6 to 12 points. So this would have looked like this, right? And I would have been shy of hitting my goal, right? 8 points. So we came back to this buy. We had 1, 2, 3, right? Alright, boom, right? So nice 2 to 1 right there. And that's a good place to exit. Alright, so thought about taking the trade long also, but couldn't make sense of it. Buyers never stepped in for NQ, so nothing made sense. So I didn't try anything after that last attempt. We did get a buy signal right here for ES, but NQ is already up. Alright, and then we get another buy for ES. Eventually price pushes up higher and then gets dwarfed out. So today price was just really just being weird. Came back down to that level right here, 130-ish, and really started pushing again. So today was just a weird, tough day. Nice rejection of the highs there. So I'm not home for on the screen, so I'm not sure what price was just doing. Price was just looking very weird today. Damn, destroyed the heck out of that level. No bounce. No bounce. Pushes up. Yeah. Price was just being weird. So that's basically it. That's all I did today. Yeah. Alright. Anyways, I'm done. Break even day, I'm keeping it. Start, like I said, slow bill. Very possible. Very doable. We'll do it. Price is still moving up towards the highs there. Alright, so tomorrow we'll be back looking for some clean levels if they arise. Today price kind of like dojed out. We had a strong move yesterday, and then today price is dojed out, so maybe we pause here and then move higher from there. Let's look at a higher time frame. I know at the 75 we were at on a buying trend, so that's probably what happened today. Right, we just continued buying. Alright, so price could come back lower here and bounce. So that's it. I'll be back tomorrow.